Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
So, are there cost-effective solutions for replacing poly piping and in-floor heating?
Realistically, there is no cheap alternative to getting out your in-floor heating. Aside from just plugging in a couple space heaters and calling it a day, there's no real cost-effective way. It's got to get done. You've got to pay the piper.
Fair enough.
Yeah, sorry. Quick question there.
Yeah, good. Thanks.
No problem.